A devastating crash on a California highway has sparked a heated debate about road safety and immigration policies. 3 lives were tragically lost when a semi-truck, allegedly driven by an impaired and undocumented individual, plowed into multiple vehicles in a fiery chain reaction collision. But here's where it gets controversial. The driver, identified as 21-year-old Jashanpreet Singh, was not only under the influence of drugs, but also in the country illegally. According to authorities, Singh, a resident of Yuba City, has been charged with gross vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated and driving under the influence of a drug causing injury. The crash, which occurred on Interstate 10 in Ontario, left 3 people dead and at least 3 others injured. Dash camera footage captured the horrifying moment the Freightliner semi-truck slammed into stopped traffic, creating a massive and chaotic scene, as described by the San Bernardino County District Attorney's Office. And this is the part most people miss. Singh holds a valid commercial driver's license issued by California, despite his illegal status. This has reignited discussions about the state's compliance with federal regulations, particularly regarding English language requirements for commercial drivers. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy has been vocal about this issue, stating, "This is exactly why I set new restrictions that prohibit illegal immigrants from operating trucks." The tragedy has also brought attention to a disturbing pattern. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, noted, "This tragedy follows a disturbing pattern of criminal illegal aliens driving commercial vehicles on American roads, directly threatening public safety." Singh, who entered the U.S. from India through the southern border in 2022, now faces an immigration detainer in addition to criminal charges. But is this a fair assessment? Or are we missing a bigger picture? While the incident highlights the dangers of impaired and irresponsible driving, it also raises questions about the effectiveness of current policies. Should states like California face stricter penalties for noncompliance? And how can we ensure that all drivers, regardless of their immigration status, meet the necessary safety standards? San Bernardino County District Attorney Jason Anderson called the incident a heinous tragedy that could have been avoided if Singh had not been driving negligently and impaired. He also pointed out, had the rule of law been followed by state and federal officials, the defendant should have never been in California at all. As Singh awaits arraignment without bail, prosecutors emphasize the seriousness of the offense and his flight risk. Meanwhile, the Transportation Department has already withheld $40 million from California for failing to enforce English language requirements for truckers. This move, announced by Duffy, underscores the federal government's commitment to road safety and regulatory compliance. What do you think? Is this a case of individual recklessness, systemic failure, or both? Should there be stricter penalties for states that don't enforce federal regulations? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's engage in a constructive dialogue about how we can prevent such tragedies in the future.